Hey, this is me hiking last summer when I was trying to become a hiking YouTuber, but I was so afraid to start and publish my videos. My plan was to have a Polish YouTube channel, published a couple of videos, but I was just shy person to talk with camera. But I'm so glad that I started this channel right now, and I'm forced to edit videos. This footage was on my computer for maybe 8 months sitting doing nothing, and I finally found a time to edit and try to make something with that. Yeah, this place is in Poland. The mountain's called Tatry, and I've met so many this mountain goats. I was a little bit scared she will attack me or something, but I will slowly just wait for her to go. That's why I love hiking. You can be around nature, meet other animals, people. When you meet people when you are hiking, they are all basically 99% of them are nice, good people that you can say hi and talk with them. And the views are amazing, and it's healthy for you. There is so many benefits of walking, hiking. I need to go back for hiking. Right now I'm just traveling around around the new cities, but in the summer I definitely need to go back. I love this small family that I've met of goats. It was amazing to just see them around. It's just beautiful, but it's very challenging for your body. I prepared a lot to these 40-kilometer hikes around mountains. Thanks for watching, and see you tomorrow.